What if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? Have you ever asked yourself these questions? Today we are going to talk about how to break free from these negative, disempowering beliefs and replace them with empowering ones that drive success. Let me take you back to a story. There was a kid I knew growing up. He was full of energy, playful, and curious just like any other child. But he had something a little different about him. No matter how many times he fell or got hurt, he wouldn't cry. He had this weird neutral response to pain, even when he was just like 8 years old. While most kids were afraid of failing, he didn't even believe failure existed. But then something changed. When he turned 10, he had a dream. He wanted to become a professional footballer. You could see the fire in his eyes as he told his father, "Dad, I'm going to be a professional footballer." His face lit up a rainbow of excitement, even though he had some missing teeth. There was a pause. But instead of support, his father looked him straight in the eye and said, "You can't. Football is for the elite. Only one in a million can make it, and you don't have what it takes." And just like that, the dream was crushed. From that moment, the kid lived his life believing he wasn't good enough. Every time an opportunity came, he would tell himself, "I am not worth it." Guess what happened? He became a failure because he believed what his father said that day. But here's the thing, that didn't have to be his story. That's what I'm going to show you today. How to break these limiting beliefs that the society put on us and create empowering ones. Step 1, we have to understand how beliefs are formed. Let's break it down. For an idea to turn into a belief, it needs legs, references, and experiences to support it. Imagine a belief is like a table. The table is your belief, and the legs are the evidence that supports that belief. For example, if you believe you are strong, it is probably because you have lifted heavy weights and at the gym, or maybe won a boxing match. Those experiences are the legs that hold up that belief. Step 2, breaking negative beliefs that you have. To destroy a negative belief, you have got to break its legs. And to create new ones, you need to find small evidence, even the tiniest thing from your life, or others' life, or even your imagination, and use that as a new leg. Let's say you believe you're not good at public speaking. Maybe one bad experience at school where you stumbled over your words is keeping that belief alive. That's one leg of your table. But what if you flip the script? What if you remember a time when you explained something well to a group of friends? That's a new leg for the empowering belief that I can communicate clearly. Step 3 is to change your questions so that you could change your beliefs. It all starts with the questions you ask yourself. If you ask questions like, "What if I fail? What if I screw up?" Those are disempowering questions. They add strength to your negative beliefs. But what if you flip those questions, start asking, "What if it works out? What if I can actually do this?" Imagine someone who wants to get fit but has always believed they are too weak. Instead of asking, "What if I can't lift heavy?" they start asking, "What if I get stronger?" The shift in mindset can be the difference between staying stuck and transforming their body. Build your new belief, which is the step 4. Now let's talk about building your new belief. Start with a simple belief you want to create. Maybe it's like, "I'm confident." Maybe make it stronger by looking for evidence that supports it. Search for studies, read inspiring stories, observe successful people who have already done it, then take action. If you want to be physically strong, act like a strong person would. Go to the gym, push yourself, and take small steps every day. Over time, these actions will reinforce your new belief. Step 5 is to use pain and pleasure such that it motivates you to change your beliefs and uphold empowering ones. Here's a crucial step. To let go of negative beliefs, you need to associate immense pain with them. Ask yourself, what will it cost me physically, emotionally, financially, and in my relationships if I don't let go of this belief? Go deep, think about how your life will turn out if you hold on to that belief. And to create new empowering beliefs, you need to associate immense pleasure with them. Find people who are succeeding in the area you want to excel in and ask yourself, what do they believe differently that I do? Changing your beliefs isn't easy, but it's the foundation for changing your life. Start by questioning those limiting thoughts, take action, and reinforce those empowering beliefs such that they'll drive you to success. So, what belief are you going to change today? Let go of who you are to discover who you could be. Peace.